Hello and welcome to the Bitcoin Jedi channel. And in this video, I am going to talk about a few things on your account when you open your Toobit account and how to navigate around a little bit and some settings and things like that. So let's get right to it. Now, when you come in here, you may land let's just say on the Toobit home screen here. So what you're going to want to do is, if you're not going to deposit anything yet, what you're going to want to do is familiarize yourself with the site itself. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is come over here to your assets. As you'll notice here that this account doesn't have anything in it. So what you want to do is click deposit, and then pick your currency and make a deposit. Okay, so once your deposit hits your account, you're ready to trade. It will show up here under asset summary. Now, if you're watching this video, then you're interested in leverage trading. But if you're watching it and you're not interested in leverage trading and you just want to do spot trading, you come over here to trade and you click on spot, and then you could pick one of the trading pairs. Another cool thing about this site is if you send Bitcoin over here and you want to use USDT to trade with, you just come over here to trade and convert, and you're able to convert your Bitcoin to USDT, because USDT is mainly what we trade with on this channel. So if you send Bitcoin over here, you just convert it to USDT. There's no fee. You just are able to convert. Once it's converted, it will land in your spot account here. When you click spot, it will show up in this list here under USDT. It'll be the first one because when you have an amount inside one of these currencies, it will show up as the first one. So what you do, once it's there, you can convert it to Bitcoin, or you may just land here with USDT. So once it does, you're going to transfer right here. You're going to click transfer, and you're going to transfer the funds from your spot account to the USDTM futures account. Click all, or click half, or however much you want to send into the futures account, and then click confirm. And then it'll send it over to the futures account. That's right here under derivatives. So what we're going to want to trade is USDTM perpetuals. Okay? Now, one thing that's cool about this site is they actually have demo trading. So if you go under demo trading, click here, you'll notice that there's a balance in here of 10,000 USDT. This allows you to practice your trading with leverage to get the hang of it before you actually use your own money. So if you're new to leverage trading, or if you want to try the method that I use, then you can try it here and not waste any of your money. I actually challenge you to do it anyway. What I think is you should come over here to the demo account and leverage trade, and don't use any of your real money until you've won 10 trades in a row. When you win 10 trades in a row, no losses, just 10 trades in a row, then I would suggest depositing some of your money and going live. But until you're disciplined, until you can successfully win 10 trades in a row, then don't even bother putting your own money in. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to want to switch the candles. You'll see right here, switch to Heikinashi right here. It's a cleaner looking candle. It's what we like to trade with, okay? And let's see, anything else? Okay, let's see. There's an option, yeah, right here. So this little option here, I like to display positions I don't like order history. I like open orders, take profit, and stop losses and positions. So you can leave those checked. So if they're not checked, check those. And let's see, is there anything else? Time frames over here. I like to click edit and set this at, I don't need 30 minutes, I don't need 15 minutes, I don't need 5 minutes. I like 6 hour, 4 hour, I don't need a minute, and 3 minutes. I don't need daily in 1 hour. So 1 hour, 3 minutes, 4 hours, 6 hour, and click save. Those are the time frames I like to look at. For some reason it's still showing 15 minutes. If I click on 6 hour, the 15 should disappear. Yeah, so now you see 3 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour. All right. Okay, so next, how do you trade? So there's some different options over here on how to trade. You'll see market. Oh, also here, what I like to do before we get into that, if you see here it says size and then BTC and there's a little down arrow, click the little down arrow and change this to USDT. So enter the notional value which is affected by leverage and the global unit switches to USDC. This one by cost. We want to do this last one by cost and then click OK. So now this says cost USDT. This way you don't have to calculate in any kind of leverage or anything like that. It's just the actual dollar amount that you want to trade with. So make sure you do that. Like I said here, these trading options, we have market. Market, if I put in, let's say I put in $20. Let's see here, $20. It will go in, if I click open long, it will take a long position immediately at the market price, at the going price that Bitcoin is at right now. Or if I click close short, it will go in the short. So I'll be selling, I'll be going against the price going up. I'm expecting the price to go down. So I'm putting in $20. Oh, also leverage. So leverage here, I switched this. And I want to put this at 125x. Now, you might think that that's kind of crazy, but once you learn the method, once you learn about safe leverage trading, then you'll understand why we use 125x. So that's market. It puts you in right then at the market price. Next is limit. Limit order is, let's say I want to put an order in down here at like 102,958. That basically says if the price drops down to 102,958, it will automatically buy me in. So you just change that here, 102,958, and then put the amount. Let's say I put $20, and then I click open long. And then you'll see, I'm actually going to uncheck this because I don't want it to show me that anymore. And open long. So you'll see it put an order in down here that if the price drops down to here, it will buy me in a long position. You can do the reverse. I'm going to cancel that order. For a short, let's say I say, okay, what happens if the price runs up to 115,000? Let's say, oh, the price runs up to 115,000. I want to go $20 and I close short like that. So now you'll see there's an order up at the top, which means if the price runs all the way up here to 115,000, it's going to short and thinking, oh, once it hits 115,000, the price is going to go down. So that's how you can set those limit orders. Now, trigger orders are different. Trigger order, and what I usually like to do is a trigger order, change this to market. Okay, so what I do is I say, all right, a trigger order. That means if the price goes to a specific dollar amount, which would be the trigger, I want to go ahead and buy long or sell short. So I could put an order up here at 112. Let's just do even 112,000, right? We say if the price reaches 112,000, I want to go long with $20. Okay, so that's the stop price. If it goes up to 112,000, then go ahead and open a long. So we go ahead and open long, and then you'll see that an order comes in. Let me see if I got this. Why is it not? Oh, here, trigger order. There we go. So come over here and click trigger order. We want to see those two. So you'll see right here that now I have a trigger order up here that if the price comes up to 112, it will go ahead and buy me in to go long, to go for the price to go up. You can also do that in reverse. Say, oh, if the price drops to 106,000, go ahead and sell short. So you can do it in either direction. So I'll go ahead and cancel that. So that's how you open a market order, a limit order, or a trigger order. Okay. And I think that should do it for this video. If you would like to trade on Toobit, go ahead and click the link in the description. That way you can help me out a little bit and get under my referral. And if you would like to get in on our Discord, the link also for the Discord is below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.